Rule number 1. Staying hydrated is important for maintaining good health. Rule number 2. Cancel sugar and junk foods and replace them with fruits as this provides health-boosting antioxidants. Rule number 3. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Your body also needs break from everything. And lastly but not the least, rule number 4. Do exercise and remember to keep your physical activities fun. This will help you to less stress yourself.
First day.
So, update. Kakatapos ko lang hugas ng face. Okay guys, I'm done.
Ingested by the bigger fish
I'm done.
will now absorb by its fat and flows down
Online
to its
class kasi
body.
ako.
So,
So,
given
by the
na
way, I'm done
that this
washing my
cabanas
face.
fish eaten the mackerel
So, hindi ako
It
makagawa ng
already,
exercise because
has the mercury
I have
into
ako online
its
class.
body,
Need ko
right?
makinig. I'm
So,
going to do
when
my
the
exercise
humans
later.
intake this food,
So, I
there will
will
be a
going to
greater
update you
chance
if
na
after ditong class.
magkakasakit yung tao.
1 hour lang naman. So,
For
I think
example, sickness.
I can do my exercise
cancer,
on 10.
So,
Exactly, or 10 plus.
under the
ganyan.
biomagnification class,
Guys, so tapos na ang aming online class. So, mag-proceed na tayo sa exercise. I'm done doing my exercise. So now, we're going to rest for about mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that. Then, I will magkakain kami ng sister ko kasi may klase pa kasi siya this 12 eh. I'm done. We're done eating, guys. So, now, mag-change ako clothes kasi yung clothes ko kasi malagi pupuntahan ko kasi nasa baba talaga yung pagliliguan namin kaya mag-change muna ako clothes then we'll be ligo-ligo na. Bye-bye. Update ko na lang kayo. Hi guys, after po ng workout natin, so maliligo po tayo. Actually, malayo pa talaga yung pagliliguan namin. Kasama ko po ngayon yung baby Gigi ko. Baby Gigi! Say hi! Say hi daw, baby! Andunggang! Maliligo po kasi kami. Sige na. Hi guys! Update. Nandito na po kami sa bomba. So,
After a few years, Dot Shark Im Lang. Second day.
hello, good morning. Tinatamad po ako magbangon.
This is me traveling at 8:58 p.m. Late na nakauwi because natapos ang klase namin ng 5 p.m. and we need to wait for another bus and also traffic din. Pagkuhuwi ko niyan, I take a rest for about 5 minutes, then I eat dinner, and also I take a half bath and may ulam sa dabong isda, then natulog na ako agad. Dahil pagkabukas yan, may importante na naman gagawin ang person.
Third day.
Hi guys, it's 7 in the morning. So, kailangan kong gumising maaga even though na hindi naman siya masyadong kailangan kong gumising maaga because have ako pupunta akong Pasinangka Kasi we were going to make a video na sign language. Yes, maingay na sila. Sign language and also my dear kasi kami. If yung call time namin is 9. So if sino pupunta ng lagpas 9, there will be siya yung manlilibre. Kaya need ko na puntahan. So babush guys, update ko na lang kayo later. Nandun na ako.
So, after that, nag-exercise muna ako. Binilisan ko na pag-exercise ko kasi baka malate ako. So, that picture is nung nasa bus ako papunta po hometown. That picture nung kinuha ko nung nag-picture mga kaibigan ko, and that is me. Oh, Pak, sino ka dyan?
Hello po, nakauwi na ako galing from the practice and I'm so exhausted. Pagod ako, kaya and also I've done washing my face and nag-toothbrush na rin ako, so mag-take na ako ng rest. Bye bye. Tulog na rin. Bye.
Fourth day.
Hi guys, good morning. This is a normal day, pero kailangan kong gumising ng maaga kasi madami akong trabaho ngayon. Guys, I'm done doing my exercise.
Fifth day.
Guys, good morning. Time check, it's 8:18 pala. Late ako na. Late kasi I am doing my activity. Kagabi sobrang lari ang mga activity as in. Pagod ako doon. Nagising din ako. Then toothbrush ko na ako. And I'm going to wash my face. Okay? Bye. Datnan ko na naman na may plato. Kaya ban ko muna. Tapos nun, mag-wash ako face. Of course. And toothbrush. Hi guys. Update. Hindi ako makapaglaban ng plato. Because walang tubig. Wala po kasi kaming tubig. We just buy water from other neighborhood sa mga bahay po namin. Kaya nagabili lang po kami ng tubig sa kanila. And also di rin po ako makapag-breakfast because hindi pa sila nakapagsaing, pero nakapagsaing na sila na lang. So ang gagawin ko while waiting, magtrabaho na ako dito sa loob. Hi guys, update. No, kinuha ko na yung water. Kasi kapagod na mag-antay. So, meron na kaming water, isang balde. Ay! Time-lapse pala dapat. Hi guys, update. Nagligo na kami kasama. Update, nandito na po kami sa bomba kasama. Kaya, naligo muna kami ha. Bye-bye! After that, uuwi na kami. Bye. Guys, mag-ano na po kami. Uuwi na po kami kakatapos na kami maligo. So, we go home. Guys, update. Nakauwi na kami and nakapag-base na rin kami. So, ngayon, ay po. Ito sila lahat. Ito my sister.